Jessy here. So I really hope everyone is safe and well, and seeing as most of us are in lockdown at the moment, I really wanted to make a video on how to make your own practice fans. Yay! My favourite practice fans are by FlowDNA, and I even have a discount code I can share with you guys. Jessy Spin, who'd have thought? But I know not everyone can afford to buy new props outright, especially now, things are a bit strange. So you can make your own, especially as I'm going to be making more tutorials and I want you guys to follow along. Now this method is actually based off a tutorial by Grace K, who is a talented fan spinner, and guys should totally check her out. But I've just put a little bit of my own spin on it. So let's get started. We will need a yoga mat. A cheap one is fine, but probably the thicker the better. And some electrical tape. This will be the colour of our fan, so choose one that you like. A glue gun, marker and scissors, something to draw our stencil on. So I'm going to use this big bit of cardboard that I found, but you could also use paper. For the ring of our fan, I'm just going to use these bangles that I found at an op shop, because I like a pretty small ring. For the spines of our fans, I'm going to use these chopsticks I got at the $2 store for pretty cheap, because I like pretty small size tech fans. But you could also buy bamboo sticks and cut them to size. Or I also thought you could probably use bamboo skewers. I haven't tried that yet though. And we can get started. Yay! So first we need to create our stencil. You can take a fan that you already own and trace the shape of this ready to cut out. This is an example of one I did earlier. Very, very meticulously, you can see. Or if you don't have a fan already, you can take your ring and the spines and lay them out in the shape that you imagine you would like your fan to be. I'm too lazy to do this, but you should probably measure the distance between each of your spines as well. You then want to cut out your template. Probably floppy cardboard was not the best choice, but I'm using it now. So close. Yay! Next we want to use our stencil to cut out 4 fan shapes from our yoga mat. These will be the front and back of each fan. Next I want to heat up my hot glue gun and glue my spine and ring to my yoga mat. My ring is actually quite close to the edge. It's better to have your stencil so the ring is in the middle. Then I want to put glue along my entire stencil shape, ready to put the other side on top. The glue gunning doesn't have to be super perfect, because next we're going to get out electrical tape and wrap the tape over the entire fan. This should be relatively tight to keep a nice shape to your fan, and you can probably also do it neater than I am now. You could also do nicer designs. Like Grace used reflective tape in hers and it looked really pretty. And if you have any bits which look a bit ugly, or perhaps your yoga mat has curled around too far, don't worry, because it's nothing that a bit of extra tape won't fix. Make a note also, if you are using a smaller ring like I am, you will have to wait until you tape some of the outside of your fan first before the tape roll can fit through. So now I've finished going over my fan once, and I'm just going to go over with tape, maybe not all the way around, but just where I can see any bits I want to tighten up, and also just to give the fan a bit more shape and weight. We're getting there. We can do it. We've got this. Whew. Whew. So we survived all the cutting of the yoga mats and taping, much taping of the fans, and now we have practice fans! Hooray! Thank you so much for watching and making fans with me today. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And check out my other social media bits and bobs as well. Big love and see you next time. So, you guys, a tutorial.